In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Books in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through accessing your account with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Zoho Books in any search engine. This will take you directly to their homepage where you can start the sign-in process. The layout is intuitive, designed to streamline your business accounting tasks efficiently. Once you've reached the Zoho Books homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Sign In button. You'll usually find it at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're logging in for the first time or have recently updated your password, make sure you have those details ready. It's a good practice to keep your password secure and memorable, or consider using a password manager for extra security and convenience. After signing in, you're now at the Zoho Books home. Here you can find various options and services offered by Zoho Books, all tailored to help you manage your finances effectively. This is the control hub for all of your business accounting needs. Exploring this area for a few minutes can provide insight into new features and updates that Zoho regularly introduces to make your experience smoother. Next, let's go to the dashboard of Zoho Books. On the main interface, you'll usually find a tab or menu item labeled Dashboard. Clicking on this will bring you to an overview page where you can view summaries of your financial data. This dashboard provides a snapshot of your finances, including income, expenses, and invoices, allowing you to monitor your business's financial health at a glance. From the dashboard, the following step is to click on Settings. You can typically find the Settings option in the top right corner or within a menu on the side, depending on the version or updates on Zoho Books. Exploring these settings is crucial, as here you can customize how Zoho Books works to fit your specific needs. Once in the settings, look for the Zoho Apps option. Clicking here will take you to a section where you can explore various integrations and applications that can enhance your Zoho Books experience. These integrations are designed to connect Zoho Books with other tools and platforms you may already use, making workflows more efficient. Finally, you will see an option labeled Connect. Go ahead and click on it if you wish to link Zoho Books with additional apps or services. This step is optional, intended for those looking for more advanced features or enhanced connectivity between platforms. And there you have it, a quick guide on accessing Zoho Books. With these steps, you can easily navigate your way through Zoho Books, making sure you have all the tools you need for effective bookkeeping at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.